So I look like a foot. So it's time to go from a foot to a less of a foot. So we're going to do a little wig transformation. I'm going to use my Got2b glue. Shocker. But this time I'm using a little bit of a different technique. I'm going to be applying one layer, letting it dry, and then applying another layer, letting it dry, and then applying a third layer, and then putting my wig on. I have noticed that this particular technique, is this a technique? I don't know. A lot of times like hairdressers do this, and for whatever reason when I see hair videos they only do it one time, but when I tell you it's so much easier to apply a wig when you do it like this, when you layer it several times. That bad boy don't go nowhere. So here's the wig. This is from EVA Wigs. This is a full lace wig, and I've just taken the drawstrings and I have put them together so that I can put my wig on. The drawstrings being latched onto themselves acts kind of like the same way an elastic band method works. And baby, she's on. You don't even have to do the little headband, but I did it because I wanted to show you my headband. But here you go. Look at me. I didn't have to bleach the wig at all. I didn't have to pluck it. It was just ready to go. Now I'm just going in to cut some layers because I haven't cut layers in a wig in a minute, and I just felt a little fancy, wanted to shake it up. Just taking a piece of the hair in the front, combing it out, and then cutting it diagonally and downwards so that we don't get any super harsh lines there. You want it to blend and kind of make sense. Yeah? Okay. Take your time because you don't want to look like you just got in a fight with a weed whacker. And then I'm just going in with my flat iron to smooth everything out. Yes, we're getting somewhere. I'm going to take my curling wand and also go into the front of my hair so that I can get that little poof at the front. I kind of like that little lift sometimes. If I was wearing my hair down in particular, because I was thinking about wearing it down, that really does help. Then just flat iron the other side so that we're symmetrical and we look presentable. If you're wearing this out, don't forget to flat iron the back of your wig. I forgot to do that actually in this video, but it's cool. As long as it looks good from the front. You don't need to know everything. That's not in your business, sis. It looks cute though. Look at me, I can put my hands through it. Now this is blonde all the way to the root, and I thought I would like it, but I don't. So I decided to just add a little bit of my own root with an eyebrow powder. Good eyebrow powders are nice and cool tone, so it won't look like I have an orange streak, you know, coming out of my hair all of a sudden. Then I'm going to go in with my foundation powder right in the middle to define that part. And there you go, there you have it. It's on my head. So if I wanted to put it in a ponytail, if I wanted to do a little half do like I'm doing here, I can do that, and it is secure. Your wig is staying on your head until somebody try to snatch you. Nobody should be trying to snatch you. They should come to me first. Then I put myself in this little like half do, put some glasses on to set the fire ablaze, and I'm cute. If you want any more information on this hair, it'll be down in the description box. I really do like it. I hope you guys check it out, and I'll see you guys next time.